Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make banana milk bread toast. Preheat your oven or toaster oven to 350 degrees F and slice milk bread into even pieces. Mash ripe bananas with a little milk and cinnamon, then spread or dollop onto each slice. Toast until golden and caramelized, about 8 to 10 minutes, and finish with a pat of butter or a drizzle of honey. Mash bananas until mostly smooth and stir in a splash of milk to create a spreadable mixture. Fold in a pinch of cinnamon and a little brown sugar if you want extra depth and caramel notes. Taste and adjust sweetness, then let the mixture rest briefly so flavors meld before spreading on each slice of milk bread. Arrange prepared slices on a baking tray lined with parchment or lightly greased to prevent sticking. Toast in a preheated 350 degrees F oven, watching closely as mashed banana sugars can brown quickly around the 6 to 9 minute mark. Rotate the tray if needed for even coloring, and remove when edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.